Hi everyone, welcome to this high win rate scalping trading strategy tutorial. In this video, I wanna going to show you how you can scalping proper way and make profit. This scalping trading strategy easy to use and high win rate confirm because I created this strategy with two powerful indicator combination, and also I just describe the important thing and make it very easy for you so you will be understood easily. So guys, watch this strategy very carefully step by step, and remember this strategy also works very well with most of the trading platform, and you can apply this trading strategy immediately on your trading platform after watching this video. So let's get started. So first I select Bitcoin USDT and 1 minute time frame, and this strategy works very well with 1 minute, 3 minute and 5 minute time frame. You can select your time frame from here. This one is suitable for you. So now another thing from TradingView asset library. Right now I want to trade with cryptocurrency group, and my asset is Bitcoin and my trading platform is Binance. And remember, you have to must select your asset group, asset and platform from here. It's very important. Okay, now I have to add two powerful indicator, so that I simply go TradingView indicator library, and the first indicator I want to add, the indicator name is range filter DW. So I simply write here range filter DW. Once I write here range filter DW, you can see one indicator by Donovan Wall, range filter DW. So I simply click to add on my chart. Alright, we have successfully add this indicator on my chart. So now I have to add second indicator, range identifier. So I simply write here range I. Once I write here range I, you can see one indicator by Mango to Juice, range identifier. So I again simply click to add on my chart as well. Okay, we have successfully add our two powerful indicator. Now I have to setting the two indicator for cash signal and looks more attractive. So first go with range filter setting. So before change some setting, I have to bring it to font this indicator. So I simply go the three dot menu, and from here visual order and bring to font. Okay, now simply go the setting, and from here I no need anything except the filter, and also I want to change this color one to red. Okay, and simply uncheck everything except the filter. Okay, and now I have to change some value from input, and the range size will be just 2. Okay, and simply save. So we have successfully customized our first indicator. So now let's go with range identifier setting, and now also everything will be default, and simply go style, and from here I want to change the color to white. Okay, and I no need upper threshold line, also lower threshold line, and simply okay to save. Well done, we have successfully setting our two indicator. So now it's ready to cash signal. So before cash signal, let's introduce with the indicator momentum, because it's very important. So first go with range filter. So range filter line has a two color, red color and green color. The red color indicate the downtrend and the green color indicate is uptrend. Okay, now let's introduce range identifier indicator. So range identifier indicator range line has a three color, red color, green color and white color. The red color indicate downtrend, and the green color indicate the uptrend, and the white color indicate the market is ranging. Okay, so now let's see how you can generate buy and sell signal with the two indicator combination. For buy signal, first you have to make sure the time frame is 1 minute, 3 minute or 5 minutes. After that, if the range filter line red color, switch it to green, and the same time range identifier range line color is also green, that means it's our buy signal. So we take long position here, and our stop loss will be last swing low. And if I see, you can see the prices go up, and let's see what's happened. And after few, you can see the prices go up, and if I measurement with this scale, and you can see our profit is 1.75% with zero leverage. If I trade with 20x leverage, that means our profit is 1.75 into 20. Our profit is 35% from only one trade. So now let's go with sell signal. For sell signal, if the range filter line color switch it green to red, and the same time range identifier range line color also switch it to red, that means it's our sell signal for scalping. And we take short position here, and our stop loss will be last swing high. And if I see after few the price is trying to go down, and if I measurement with this scale, you can see 1.60% profit with 0 leverage. If I trade with 20x leverage, that means 23.2% profit from only one trade. Really, it's very profitable scalping system. Okay, now for better understanding, let's go with more example profit and stop loss strategy. In this chart, range filter line switch it red to green, and the same time range identifier range line color switch it to green. That means it's our buy signal. So we take long position here, and our stop loss will be last swing low, and our first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss, and the second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss, and third profit target will be 3 times from the stop loss, and fourth profit target will be 4 times from the stop loss. And if I see after few the price is trying to go up and successfully hit our profit target 1, profit target 2, and profit target 3, and profit target 4, and it's count as another successful trade. And if you have a risk management knowledge, you can increase your profit target. So now let's go with another example. In this chart, you can see range filter line color is switched green to red, and the same time range identifier range line color also switched to red. That means it's our sell signal. So we take short position here, and our stop loss will be last swing high, and our first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss, and the second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss, and the third profit target will be 3 times from the stop loss, and fourth profit target will be 4 times from the stop loss. And if I see after few the price is successfully hit our profit target 1, and profit target 2, and profit target 3, and it's count as another successful trade. And remember, the price will always hit the profit target 4, it's not guarantee. Sometime hit the profit target 3 or profit target 2 or profit target 1, even stop loss, and hitting stop loss is very few. So now let's go with some more example. So in this chart, you can see range filter line color is switched to green, and also range identifier range line is color is green. That means it's our buy signal, and you can see it's very profitable, and you can see the profit is 2.76%, and you can see in here is red line, but the range identifier color is green. That means it's false signal. And again, you can see in here the range filter range line color is switched to red, and also range identifier range line color is red. That means it's our sell signal. And if I set my stop loss on last swing high, you can see it's also profitable. And also for this one, this signal is for long position. This is another sell signal. Really, this strategy is very profitable. So hope you guys understand how to you can scalping perfectly with 2 powerful indicator and make profit. So if you enjoyed this content, please give a like on this video. Your like always motivated me to discover new profitable trading system. And if you have any question, you can comment below. And if you want to get more powerful strategy, you can check my previous video. Also for future video, you can subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks for watching. See you with you next one.